Hello everyone, welcome back to Gananam channel. Today in trick for the day, we are going to learn a square trick, and this is definitely a very interesting trick. So watch the video till the end. What is 3 square? We all know that 3 square is 9, right? So write it in 2-digit form like 0, 9. What is 33 square? For this we have to multiply. Right? 33 into 33. Let's do this. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. And 9 plus 9 is 18 and 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, we got 1089. What is 333 square? Now you tell me. This is even more time consuming. Let's see. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9, 9. Again, once again, 9, 9, 9. Once again, 9, 9, 9. Okay, add it. 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 1 carry. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 1 is 28. So, 8, 2 carry. 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 2 carry, and 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, we got this. What is 3333 square? You will say, ma'am, we are not going to do this, right? Okay, let's jump into the trick. If you see these two numbers, I think you will see some similarities. 1089, 110889. Okay, the numbers are repeating. Is it repeating in a pattern? Definitely yes. Plus 1 and minus 1. We will get the answer for 33 square. Plus 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. That we have to write first. Okay, 0. And 9 minus 1 is 8. And we have to write 9 as it is, and we will get the answer 1089. It's correct, right? Yes. Here we got 110889. 110889 for 333 square, right? What we have to do is 0, 9 is common. How many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. So, minus 1 you do. We will count it as 2. And we will repeat the numbers 2 times. Which number? The plus 1, no. That number we will repeat. So, 1, 1. And here also we have to repeat 2 times. So, 9 minus 1 is 8. And we will repeat 8 2 times. And we will get the answer. See, compare this. 110889. 110889. Right? Yes. So, for this, you try with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 digit total. So, 3 times the number should be repeated. Why? Minus 1 for this, right? So, 3 times you have to repeat. 1, 1, 1. And we will get 0 here. And 8, 8, 8. We will get 9 here. And that's it. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So, the repetition should be minus 1, that is 6 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Right? This is even not possible in the calculator also. But, we done it within seconds. Right? Okay. I think everyone is curious that is it applicable to every number? My answer is no. This is not applicable to every number, but this is applicable to 3, 6 and 9. It is very easy to remember also. These are the multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9. So squaring of 3, 6 and 9. This trick can be applicable, right? Okay, let's try number 6 for this. So you already learned the trick in 3. So we will just implement it on 6 here. So 6 square is 36. Okay, 66 square. What we have to do? plus 1 and minus 1. And here 2 digit is there. Minus 1 means one time you have to write. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4, 3. 6 minus 1 is 5, 5, 6. That's it. Okay. This is 3 digit. So we have to write 2 times. So 4, 4, 3, 5, 5, 6. So let's answer this. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number of digits are there. So minus 1. So 6 times you have to repeat this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 6. And we got it. Right? Okay. Let's try this on 9 also. 9 square is 81. Okay. For first digit it is plus 1. And here minus 1. So plus 1 means 9, 8. Minus 1 means 0. That is 1 minus 1 is 0. So again 1. So 9801. Right? Okay. 3 digit. So 2 times repetition. So 998001. Okay. Here 3 times. 9998001. Okay. So let's answer this. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there. So minus 1 is 8 times you have to repeat. 999. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 you will write. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 you will write. This is the answer. Right? So this is today's trick for the day. So if you find this trick useful and interesting, like the video and don't forget to share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and let's meet in the next video with an interesting trick. Thank you so much.